Welcome back, YouTubers and Pokemon fans. And today, I will be opening up 2 packs, and then for the next 3 days after this, we'll be opening up 2 more packs. As you see in the thumbnail, I'm going to be starting from the left and going to the right. Today's packs are Fates Collide and Legendary Treasures. Here are the 2 packs. And let's start with the Fates Collide. Sometimes these packs are really easy to open, and at other times they are just really hard to open. I don't know, every time I have to fix my focus. I have no idea. There's a Carbink, Darling, Minccino, Random Receiver, Fossil, Chuckle. And it reverses an uncommon Cinccino. And a rare of the pack, Barbarnacle. Last pack for today, Legendary Treasures. 2, 2, and 2. Alright. We got a Rubat, Dwebble, Zoria, Sewaddle, Cedric Jupiter, Charmeleon, Radiant Collection Gardevoir, Radiant Collection Audinio. We got a rare Cinccino. Might be pronouncing that right, I'm not sure. And the rare of the pack, Empoleon. Let's leave this up and we'll get you guys the code cards for today. Hopefully some of you guys out there are having some good pulls from these code cards. There's not going to be as many code cards with these packs, but with these videos, but here you guys go. Alright, you guys have a wonderful evening and rest of your day, and I will see you guys back tomorrow, bright and early, 10 o'clock. Peace.